Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money by investing in stocks on the Trove investment app. So let's say for example, you've already bought stocks from a particular company or you've invested in a particular company on the Trove investment app. Now, what's the next thing? Like, how do you make money from it? Now, this is one question that I get a lot from people, even though I've already covered this area in some of my stock market videos. So I've decided to make a dedicated video, which is this one you're watching, about how to make money from the stock market. Now, before I continue, if you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, and the stock market and how to make money online. So if you love content about these topics, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video. Now, there are two main ways to make money from the stock market. Two main ways. The first one is dividend income, while the second one is called capital growth. And I'm going to be explaining these two to you in this video. Now, the first one, which is dividend income. Now, dividend income is the money paid out of the profit of a particular company to the stockholder. So out of the profit that a particular company has made, they take part of that money and then they pay it to the stockholders. It's just like a way of the company saying thank you for investing in our company, but they're not just saying thank you, they're paying you in cash. That is the meaning of dividend income. And one thing you should know about dividend income is that the more shares you have with a particular company, the more dividend you will get. Now, there are some companies that pay 10% annually, and some companies that pay 5%, some pay 6%, some pay 3%, and so on. What you should know is that the more shares you have with the company, the more dividend you are going to get. Now, another thing you should know about dividend income is that not all companies pay dividend. Yes, not all companies pay dividend. Now, the companies or the stocks you invest in that pay you dividend are called dividend stocks. They are called dividend stocks. Now, I'm very sure you might be interested in knowing some good dividend stocks that you can invest in. Now, I've already made a list of some good dividend stocks you can invest in. I'll put the link to where you can get access to it in the description of this video. It is free, you're not paying anything. I'll put the link in the description of this video. Now, another thing you should know about dividend income is that there are some companies that pay their dividend 4 times in a year. There are some that pay theirs 3 times in a year. There are some that pay twice in a year. And there are some that pay just once in a year. Now, let me explain this to you. Now, let's say, for example, a particular company is paying 10% annually and they are paying 4 times in a year. Now, if you divide 10% by 4, that's 2.5%. That means every 3 months, you're going to be getting 2.5% of your shares from that company. So that means the first 3 months, you get 2.5%. The next 3 months, you get 2.5%. Another 3 months, you get 2.5%. And the last 3 months of the year, you get 2.5%. So that means 10% annually. But let's say that company is paying just twice in a year. It means you're going to be getting 5% every 6 months. And if it's that company is paying just once in a year, it means you're going to be getting 10% once every year. And one thing I love about dividend income is that it can help you build wealth in the long run. I said earlier, it's just like the company saying thank you for investing in our company. They are giving you free money just because you are investing in their company. And you still have your investment, you still have your capital, but they are still giving you free money for investing in them. So let's say, for example, you are investing in that company, let's say every month for like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or even 5 years, and you are getting free money, let's say every month or every 3 months or every 6 months. That can help you build wealth in the long run. So that's something I love a lot about dividend income. I'm a fan of dividend income. I love to invest in dividend stocks a lot. Now, another thing you need to know about dividend stocks is that they are less volatile. They don't really go up and they don't really go down. I mean, the price of the shares, they don't really go up and they don't really go down. They are just stable. They are just stable stocks. So this is something you need to know about dividend income. So this is the first way you can make money from the stock market. Now, the second way you can make money from the stock market is called capital growth. Now, what is capital growth? This is the increase in the value of your asset or investment over time. So just like saying you put like say 100,000 naira this year into the stock market, and then maybe after like 2 years or 3 years, that 100,000 naira has turned to 500,000 naira. That is what capital growth means. Now, one thing you need to know about capital growth is that they are more volatile. That means the price of the share of those companies can really go up and they can go down. Now, the stocks that you can invest in to get enough capital growth are called growth stocks. They are called growth stocks. Now, remember I said stocks that you can invest in to get dividend income are called dividend stocks, while stocks you can invest in to get capital growth are called growth stocks. So you can see that they are different. So whichever one you are interested in, if you are interested in getting dividend, you can invest in dividend stocks. If you are interested in getting enough capital growth, can invest in growth stocks. Stocks that fall under the growth stocks are stocks from companies that are making innovations, inventions, or companies that are really growing so fast. And that's why you have companies like Tesla, Facebook, Amazon, Google under the growth stocks. So these are the two ways you can make money from the stock market. And also I've made a list of some growth stocks that you can invest in to get enough capital growth. I'll also put the link to how you can get access to it in the description of this video. So these are the two main ways you can make money from the stock market. Number one, I said dividend income. Number two, I said capital growth. Now let me also add one more way you can make money on the Trove Investment app. Now the third way you can make money on the Trove Investment app is by referrals. Now when you refer your friends to the Trove Investment app, you and your friend are going to get 5 free shares of GT Bank or Dangote Sugar into your portfolio. So let's say, for example, you send your link to a friend and the person signs up with your link on the Trove Investment app, and after maximum of 2 days, the person will be verified and you are going to get 5 free shares of Dangote Sugar or GT Bank, and your friend that you are referred will also get 5 free shares of GT Bank or Dangote Sugar in their portfolio. So these are the 3 ways you can make money in the stock market. I really hope you understand it now. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned one thing or the other from this video. And also, if you want more videos about the stock market and the Trove Investment app, I have a playlist where I have videos that can help you get started with the app or with the stock market. I'll also put the link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.